Hello everyone, welcome to Banking Short Selection. Friends, in this video we will discuss the current affairs of month of April, and this is the part 1. And if you haven't watched the current affairs of May, all the 3 parts and both the weekly parts of June month, kindly watch them. So now let's start. Who is the Indian delegation in virtual G20 Trade and Investment Minister meet held through video conference? So, Trade and Investment meet in G20, it is Piyush Goyal. And which country holds the G20 presidency? So, it is Saudi Arabia. Now, next question. Name the ministry which introduced companies fresh start scheme and revised LLP settlement scheme. So it is Ministry of Corporate Affairs. It's not so important. The government has extended crop loan interest up to dash for farmers till May 31, 2020. So it is 3 lakhs. So just remember that government has extended crop loan interest up to 3 lakhs. And also you should remember that government has extended the benefit of 2% interest subvention to banks and 3% PRI, that is prompt repayment incentive, to all farmers. And must remember PRI full form, prompt repayment incentive. Now again it's about G20 presidency. I already told you that it is held by Saudi Arabia. Next is not so important. What is the limit for a person reside in Jammu Kashmir to become permanent resident of Union Territory as per revised norms? So it is 15 years. 15 year is the limit. Name the organization which launched the competition titled United Against Corona, expressed through art, the art in the time of Corona. So it is Indian Council for Cultural Relations. Just remember this only, it's not important. Next question is about DGFT, the Director General of Foreign Trade. So just they are asking that DGFT comes under which ministry? So must remember it is under Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Next is not so important. Just remember DARPG full form. Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances. That's it. Next is also not important. Next is also not important. In next question, they are asking that who is present civil aviation minister. So he is Mr. Hardeep Singh Puri. Just remember this only. Now next question. Under which section of IT Act 1961, that is Income Tax Act 1961, the donations for PM Care Fund granted with 100% exemption? So it is section 80G. It is important one question. So must remember under section 80G of Income Tax Act 1961, donation for PM Care Fund granted with 100% exemption. Name the Indian state which proposed to buy novel contraption portable multi-feed oxygen manifold. So that is MOM, multi-feed oxygen manifold, and it is Andhra Pradesh. So Andhra Pradesh has proposed to buy MOM. Navratnalu Pedala Ndriki Illu. So it is the kind of scheme that is House for All Poor program is related to which state? So again it is Andhra Pradesh. So you must remember Navratnalu Pedal Driki Illu. House for All Poor program is of Andhra Pradesh. So NCC has offered volunteer cadets to assist civilian authorities to fight COVID-19 under exercise NCC Yogdan. So where is the headquarter of NCC? So it is in New Delhi. It's a simple question. With which company Kerala based Sri Chitra Institute collaborated to make portable lightweight emergency ventilator system? So you must remember Kerala based Sri Chitra Tirunul Institute has MOU with Wipro 3D to make portable lightweight ventilator system. Just remember this only. In next question they are asking who is present Minister for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. So it is Narendra Singh Tomar and his constituency is Morena MP. Next is not so important. In collaboration with which organization Odisha government launched Mo Pratibha, My Talent, to engage kids during lockdown? So it is United Nations Children Fund, Mo Pratibha by Odisha. Name the hackathon launched by Sanjay Dhotre, Minister of State for HRD and IT, to solve the problems due to COVID-19. So it is Hack the Crisis India. Hack the Crisis India to solve the problem during COVID-19. Name the initiative launched by Civil Services Officers Association to fight COVID-19. So by Civil Services Officers Association, initiative launched is Karuna, Caruna, Karuna. With which company NHA, that is National Health Authority, has partnered to provide transport services for healthcare workers? So it is Uber. So with Uber, NHA has partnered to provide transport facility for healthcare workers. Find the operation which was conducted by Indian Air Force to transport 6.2 tons of medicines to Maldives. So under Operation Sanjeevani, that is Operation Sanjeevani for Maldives, for sending medicines to Maldives. Blue Chip Venture Capital Firm has jointly set up a Action COVID team Grantsworth. So it is a kind of team against COVID, Action COVID team. So it is worth 100 crore by Blue Chip Venture Capital Firms. Next is not so important. Name the Indian state which topped all India level for micro irrigation under Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. So under Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, Tamil Nadu topped. Just remember this, that under Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, that is micro irrigation, Tamil Nadu topped. Next is not important. What is the percentage cut in salaries of all member of parliament, president, vice president and governors for fiscal year 21 as approved by cabinet? So it is 30%. Must remember 30% salary cut. National Highway Authority of India NHAI has achieved the record of constructing dash kilometer highways. Okay. Who is the chairman of NHAI? So Sukhbir Singh Sandhu. Sukhbir Singh Sandhu is the chairman of NHAI. It's not important. Name the Indian state union territory which has announced 5T: testing, tracing, treatment, teamwork and tracking to control COVID-19. So it is Delhi by CM Kejriwal. Which Indian ministry has designated DigiLocker as the sole national academic depository? Okay, so it is NAD. So it is Ministry of HRD. So it has designated DigiLocker as NAD, that is National Academic Depository. Name the initiative which was launched by HRD Ministry along with AICTE for students to fight COVID-19. So it is Samadhan. You must remember that it is Samadhan, launched by HRD Ministry for students. Next is not so important. Just remember that DGFT, Director General of Foreign Trade, works under Ministry of Commerce and Industry. That's it. Which Indian city ranked as top smart city in India for its execution of smart project in handling COVID pandemic? So it is Ahmedabad. You must remember that Ahmedabad ranked as top smart city in India for execution of smart project in handling COVID pandemic. Next is not so important. Which Indian ministry divide health center into three categories? Obviously it is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. What is the name of mobile doctor booth that was developed by West Central Railways coach rehabilitation workshop? So it is Charak. And you must remember West Central Railways coach rehabilitation workshop in Madhya Pradesh Bhopal city has created a mobile doctor booth called Charak. So it is to eliminate the possibility of physical contact between doctor and COVID patient. So you must remember that it is Charak by West Central Railways. With which world organization Hindustan Unilever Limited joined to launch has Break the Chain campaign to combat COVID? So Hindustan Unilever with UNICEF has Break the Chain campaign. Just remember this. What is the approved amount under India COVID-19 Emergency Response and Health System Preparedness Package by Government of India? So just remember that it is 15,000 crore. India COVID Emergency Response and Health System Preparedness Package. 15,000 crore. Name the organization which along with UNICEF and WHO launched digital campaign to ensure safety of tribal gatherers. So it is TRIFED. So it is TRIFED, Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India. So TRIFED with UNICEF and WHO launched digital campaign to ensure safety of tribal gatherers. That's it. Next is not important. Name the Indian state union territory which launched Operation Shield in containment zone or areas against COVID. So it is again New Delhi. Operation Shield in New Delhi. Bharat Padhe online campaign. So obviously it is Ministry of HRD. So Bharat Padhe online. Indian Council of Medical Research has approved to use diagnostic machine of which disease to coronavirus. So it is important one. ICMR has approved this diagnostic machine of which disease to fight coronavirus. So it is tuberculosis. So it is TB tuberculosis machine can be used against coronavirus. Next question they are asking that who is Consumer Affair, Food and Public Distribution Minister? So it is Ram Vilas Paswan. What is the unemployment rate in India during March 30 to April 5 as per Center for Monitoring of India Economy CMIE data? So it's not important, but you should remember that 23.4%, approx 23%, you should remember that unemployment rate during March 30 to April 5 as per CMIE data. Next question is about Kendriya Bhandar. Kendriya Bhandar has taken initiative of providing essential kits to needy families during COVID. So Kendriya Bhandar function under which department? So Department of Personnel and Training. So of Personal Public Grievance and Pension ministry. It is a important one. So Kendriya Bhandar works under Department of Personnel and Training of Public Grievance and Pension Ministry. Name the railway station which is first in Indian Railways to install sanitizing tunnel. So it is Ahmedabad railway station. Ahmedabad railway station at Kalupur, Gujarat of Western Railway. So they can also ask that which railway zone. So it is of Western Railway, Ahmedabad railway station, Kalupur zone, sanitizing tunnels. Next is not important. Name the state which gets ICMR approval to conduct clinical trial of plasma therapy treatment. It is about Sri Chitra Institute for COVID-19. So it is Kerala. So they have been granted approval by ICMR for clinical trial of plasma therapy treatment for COVID patients. Break the Corona Chain campaign on ground zero of various Indian states released by which organization? So it is IFCO, Indian Farmer Fertilizer Cooperative. IFCO break the Corona Chain campaign. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज, जो ऊपर न्यूज़ आई थी उससे कंफ्यूज मत होइएगा, ये अलग है। ब्रेक द कोरोना चैन, इसमें हैश वगैरह नहीं है। बाई इफको। नेम द इंडियन स्टेट विच हैज़ लॉन्च्ड फूड बैंक इनिशिएटिव विथ थीम हेल्प एंड हंगर टुडे फॉर पुअर एंड नीडी पीपल। सो फूड बैंक इनिशिएटिव बाय मणिपुर विद द थीम हेल्प एंड हंगर टुडे। फूड बैंक इनिशिएटिव मणिपुर। Next is not so important. Next is also not important. Next is again, I have already told you 2 times that DGFT under Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Must remember this. It has been asked 2-3 times before. Name the first state which integrate Ayurveda and allopathy to boost immunity of COVID-19 patient. So it's an important one. Ayurveda and allopathy to boost immunity of COVID patient by Goa. Ayurveda plus allopathy for COVID patient is Goa. In next, CII has given report exit from the lockdown, a CII strategy. So he is the present president of CII. So it is Vikram Kirloskar. Vikram Kirloskar, Confederation of Indian Industry. In how many phases Census India 2021 will be conducted? So it will be conducted in 2 phases. Next is not important. Next is also not important. Name the state which initiated pool testing for COVID-19 approved by ICMR. So it is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh initiated pool testing for COVID-19. Name the Indian ministry which has announced COVID-19 training program for healthcare professional of SAARC countries. So it is Ministry of External Affairs COVID-19 training program. Don't get confused with Ministry of Health here, because many people, because of COVID disease, they will mark Ministry of Health. So it's not Ministry of Health, it is Ministry of External Affairs which has announced COVID-19 training program for SAARC countries. Jim Corbett National Park become India's first quarantine center for animals. So question can be asked in both the ways, that where is Jim Corbett National Park, or which is the first national park to become India's first quarantine center for animals. So it is Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand. Which Indian ministry has launched webinar series named Dekho Apna Desh? So it is Tourism Ministry. Tourism Ministry, Dekho Apna Desh. Find the airline company which launches India's first cargo on seat flights to carry essential amid COVID-19. So it is SpiceJet. SpiceJet launches India's first cargo on seat flights to carry essential amid COVID 19. Name the person who heads the 8 member panel constituted by government which proposed an institutional framework for valuers by setting up National Institute of Valuers. So you must remember that it is by it is headed by MS Sau, who is IIBI chairperson. Chairman of IIBI, MS Sau, has proposed an institutional framework for setting up of National Institute of Valuers. What is the name of stores which was set up by government under triple P model during lockdown? So it is Suraksha store. Just remember Suraksha store under public private partnership. Name the company which has launched an initiative named Pragati to drive women entrepreneurship and to spread awareness of technology among women in India. So it is Facebook. Facebook launched initiative Pragati for women entrepreneurs. Facebook initiative Pragati. In next question they are asking who is present Ayush Minister. So it is Sripad Yaso Naik. Sripad Yaso Naik. He is the Minister of State. National Institute of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj has collaborated with UNICEF for training community leaders through online to fight COVID-19. Where is National Institute of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj located? So it's quite important. You should remember it's in Hyderabad. National Institute of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj. Ministry of Home Affairs has issued the advisory to safeguard private individuals from using which video conferencing application. So it's Zoom. So Cyber Coordination Center under Ministry of Home Affairs issued an advisory to safeguard private individuals who use the video conferencing app Zoom for private purposes like a meeting platform, etc. So it's Zoom application. Next is not so important. Under which section of disaster management spitting in public is offense now? So it is under section 51B. Must remember you cannot spit anywhere in the public due to coronavirus impact, etc. So it is under section 51B of Disaster Management Act. It is an offense now. Name the Indian city which announced face mask is mandatory in public places. So it is Mumbai. Must remember in Mumbai face mask is mandatory in public places. So next question they are asking Union Culture Minister. So it is P.S. Patel, Prahlad Singh Patel. Find the Indian ministry which has formulated color codes red, orange, green zones for lockdown. So it is under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. That is red, orange, green zones, etc. Name the state which carried out the rapid testing for COVID-19. So don't get confused. ऊपर एक में उत्तर प्रदेश भी आया था, वो क्वेश्चन अलग है. यहाँ पर रैपिड टेस्टिंग की बात हो रही है फॉर कोविड-19 एंड इसमें फर्स्ट स्टेट है राजस्थान. Rajasthan. Next is not important. Name the first state in country to get geotag for community kitchens tied up with Google for geomap location. So geotag for community kitchens in Uttar Pradesh. Must remember geotag for community kitchens in Uttar Pradesh. Next is not important. Next is also not important. In next they are asking who is Renewable Energy Minister of India, Minister of State. So he is Mr. Rajkumar Singh. Name the superhero character used by central government to educate kids how to beat coronavirus. So it is Vayu. So superhero character Vayu used by government to educate kids how to beat coronavirus. virus. Name the company which has become first member of India's gas trading platform, India's Gas Exchange. So Manikaran Power Limited. So it is Manikaran Power Limited become the member of India's gas trading platform, India's Gas Exchange. It is the first member. Hangpan Dada Bridge over river Subansiri was revamped and inaugurated by Pema Khandu. So Pema Khandu is CM of which state? Pema Khandu is of Arunachal. Also remember, question can also be asked that Hangpan Dada Bridge is over which river? So it is Subansiri River. Subansiri River is in Arunachal Pradesh. Name the organization which is going to handle CPSU scheme as appointed by. Okay, it's not so important, just leave it. Next is also not important. Name the company whose drug was approved for trial by DCGI, that is Drug Controller General of India, for reducing mortality rate in critically ill COVID patient. Okay, so it is Cadila Pharmaceutical Limited. So Cadila Pharmaceutical drug approved by DGCI for reducing mortality rate in critically ill COVID patient. Must remember, it's important one. Name the institute which is first in the country to carry out plasma research under trial in view of COVID. So it is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Institute of Medical Science and Research. So don't get confused. uh, in above questions we have read that Sri Chatra Institute of Kerala also get same plasma research mm, therapy. So in this also they are doing same plasma research of in Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Institute of Medical Science and Research. Name the state which has launched E-Sanjeevani OPD. So it's Himachal Pradesh. E-Sanjeevani OPD, Himachal Pradesh. Name the program which was launched by HRD Minister Nisank on Diksha portal. So it's Vidyadan 2.0. Just remember this. It's not important. Next they are asking Defense Minister. So it is Rajnath Singh and his constituency is Lucknow. BRO Border Road Organization has constructed 484-meter permanent bridge connecting Punjab Kasowal enclave with rest of country. So bridge constructed across which river? So it is over river Ravi. Over river Ravi. Okay. It's not important, just remember this. Next is not important. No, wait. Just read next question that Union Cabinet has approved Epidemic Diseases Ordinance to protect healthcare service personnel against violence during epidemics. In case of injuries, the sentence is up to 7 years. So it is to safeguard healthcare service personnel, and for this you can read a person can be sentenced to terms between 3 months and 5 years and fined between 50,000 and 2 lakh for crime under new provision. In case of grievous injuries, the accused can sentence from 6 months to 7 years. Okay. They can be penalized from 1 lakh to 5 lakhs. So maximum um, sentence is up to 7 years. Indian government has approved to provide 1 million to Antigua Island as project outlay. What is the capital of Antigua and Barbuda? So must remember capital of Antigua and Barbuda is Saint John. Just remember its capital. Antigua and Barbuda capital is Saint John. Next is not important. India is going ahead with 2.3 billion deal to manufacture fleet support vehicle FSV in collaboration with which country? So it is Turkey. So it is Turkey. Name the first state which has software based in house virtual court facility. So it is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has software based in house virtual court facility. So must remember UP. Department of Economic Affairs under Ministry of Finance has noticed change in has notified changes in FDI policy under FEMA. So FEMA constituted in which year? It is a nice question. So it is in 1999, Foreign Exchange Management Act. Must remember. Next is not important. Union Labour Ministry has declared which among the following as public utility services for 6 months till October 21, 2020 under provision of Industrial Dispute Act 1947. So it is banking industry. You must remember that banking industry has been declared as public utility service for next 6 months. Name the ministry which has My Book My Friend campaign on World Book Day. So it is Ministry of HRD. So HRD ministry has My Book My Friend campaign. Name the first government hospital in India which successfully launched convalescent plasma therapy CPT treatment for COVID patients. So it King George Medical University in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Must remember that it is CPT, convalescent plasma therapy. Kindly read these 3-4 kind of plasma related question very properly. Otherwise you will get confused in exam. King George Medical University, Lucknow has launched convalescent plasma therapy CPT treatment for COVID patient. Petersburg Climate Dialogue was held recently, and name the country which has hosted this dialogue since 2010. So it is Germany. Petersburg Climate Dialogue in Germany. So it is virtual meet. You should remember only that Petersburg Climate Dialogue by Germany. Next is not important. India has given 150 million for Maldives. Just remember. In next, they are asking what is the headquarter of International Financial Services Centers Authority. So it is in Gandhi Nagar. IFSCA International Financial Services Centers Authority headquartered in Gandhi Nagar. Now some international affair. What is the amount of rescue package needed for developing countries facing economic damage from coronavirus as per UNCTAD? So UNCTAD has given a report titled COVID-19 Shock to Developing Countries. So according to this, developing countries needs 2.5 trillion. So 2.5 trillions for developing countries. There is a need of 2.5 trillion for developing countries as per UNCTAD. So in next question they are asking that there is a report titled East Asia Pacific in time of COVID-19. So who has released this report? Which organization? So it is World Bank. World Bank report titled East Asia and Pacific in time of COVID-19. Just remember this only. With which country India has completed 70-year diplomatic relation recently? So it is China. एंड चाइना के साथ अभी हमारे रिलेशन कैसे हैं ये एवरीवन नोज दे हैव किल्ड आवर आर्मी पर्सनल्स एंड ऑल्सो आवर ब्रेव सोल्जर्स हैड फाइट विद देम एंड हमारे जो ब्रेव सोल्जर्स हैं उन्होंने भी काफ़ी इंजरीज उनको करी एंड उनके भी अराउंड 50 आर्मी पर्सनल मारे गए हैं। UNSC has adopted four resolution. Name the country which hold presidency for the conference. So, United Nations Security Council. Just remember, it is under China's presidency. Just remember, it's not so important. In next question, they are asking UNFCCC headquarter. Must remember that United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, it is headquartered in Bonn, Germany. It's very important. United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, it is in Bonn, Germany. Name the organization which has adopted the resolution Global Solidarity to fight coronavirus disease. So it is United Nations General Assembly. Resolution Global Solidarity to fight coronavirus disease. It is UNGA. What is the grant announced by US government for India through its aid agency USAID, United States Agency for International Development? So by USAID to India 2.9 million 2.9 million for coronavirus by USAID to India. What is the name of tiger which was from New York's Bronx Zoo and infected with COVID? So it is Nadia. Nadia. So it is 4-year-old Malayan tiger named Nadia at New York Bronx Zoo. So they can also ask that Bronx Zoo is situated where? So it is in New York and tiger name is Nadia. Small one, 4-year-old. What is the grant that was allocated by SARC Development Fund for COVID project? So by SARC it is 5 million. So by SARC it is 5 million for COVID-19 project, must remember. Name the university which has launched world first COVID government response tracker. So it is University of Oxford. University of Oxford has launched world's first COVID government response tracker. How many people working in informal sector in India have risk of falling into poverty as per ILO? So in informal sector around 400 million can be affected according to ILO. And where is the headquarter of ILO? Just tell me in comments if you know. United Nations Security Council has met first time for discussion about COVID-19. Name the country which currently has presidency of United Nations Security Council. So it is under Dominican Republic. Dominican Republic is the country. And what is the capital and currency of Dominican Republic? Kindly tell me in comment. Google it. In next question, they are just remember that where is the headquarter of UNIDO, United Nations Industrial Development Organization. So UNIDO is headquartered in Vienna, Austria. Must remember UNIDO in Vienna, Austria. Static will come from here only. Next is also they are asking OPEC headquarter. It is also in Vienna, Austria. Austria is the country. Vienna is the I think the capital. Yes. So UNIDO is also in Vienna, Austria, and OPEC headquarter is also in Vienna, Austria, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. Next is not so important. Just remember WTO headquarter in Geneva, Switzerland. Geneva, Switzerland. In Vanuatu, there was Cyclone Harold. So must remember that Cyclone Harold was in Vanuatu. So what is the capital and currency of Vanuatu? So capital is Port Vila and currency is Vaatu. Vanuatu, Port Vila and Vaatu, and it was affected by Cyclone Harold. As per a study of which World Organization, only one fourth of Indians pay for news, but two-thirds willing to pay. World Economic Forum. It's not so important, just remember this. Name the countries other than Asian countries which attended ASEAN Plus 3 summit on COVID response. China, Japan, South Korea. It's not so important, just leave this. South Korean President Moon Jae-in party wins election amid COVID pandemic. He belongs to which party? So must remember South Korean President Moon Jae-in. He is from Democratic Party. Democratic Party. South Korean President Moon Jae-in. And what is the capital and currency of South Korea? It is, you can read, Seoul, and South Korean won. South Korea, Seoul is the capital, and South Korean won is the currency. Next is about something World Food Program. It is about report, obviously food crisis report, so it is World Food Program, just leave this. In next question they are asking that who is present Secretary General of UN. It's not important, that's why I asked only static from these type of questions. So just remember present Secretary General of United Nations Antonio Guterres. Antonio Guterres. Name the organization which has launched Lockdown Learner series of online dialogue with student and educator in India on COVID-19. So it is United Nations Office on Drug and Crime launched Lockdown Learner series. UNODC Lockdown Learner series. Name the first Arab nation which is going to legalize cannabis. Marijuana farming. So it is Lebanon. Lebanon is the first Arab nation which is going to legalize cannabis, marijuana farming. Next is not so important, just remember how many countries are there in WHO. So in WHO there are 194 countries. Name the bank which partnered with All India Management Association to organize workshop named the contract management during emergency situation. So it is World Bank. World Bank partnered with All India Management Association to organize workshop, that is contract management during emergency situations. Next is about UNCTAD. So just remember UNCTAD. Where is the headquarter of UNCTAD? So kindly tell me in comments that where is the headquarter of UNCTAD, in Geneva or somewhere else. Which group of countries has launched Access to COVID Tools Accelerator initiative recently? So it is G20. G20 launched Access to COVID Tools Accelerator recently. It is ACT, Access COVID Tools Accelerator. So it is G20. And G20 presidency कौन कर रहा है? So must remember Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. It is held by Saudi Arabia, G20 in 2020. Next is not important. As per WHO map, Askai Chin is the region in China. Askai Chin is a part of which Indian state? Must remember it is a part of Ladakh. Don't confuse it with Jammu and Kashmir. Askai Chin is the region in China. Aksai Chin is part of Ladakh. ये हमारा चाइना ने ले लिया था पार्ट. Which among the following is world first airline which conduct rapid antibody test to its passenger? So it's Emirates. Don't confuse it with SpiceJet. SpiceJet वाला क्वेश्चन कुछ और था अभी जो ऊपर आया था. It is rapid antibody test to its passenger. It is Emirates Airlines. So just remember this only. So this was the news. हम आगे नेक्स्ट पार्ट 2 और 3 में कवर करेंगे. सो प्लीज़ इसे अच्छे से देखिए, एंड अगर आपके पास PDF नहीं है तो काइंडली ड्रॉप मी और मेल ID इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, एंड या फिर आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेरा नंबर है उस पर व्हाट्सएप भी कर सकते हैं. एंड प्लीज़ अच्छे से देखिए एंड अच्छे से रिवीजन करिए. इससे बेस्ट कुछ नहीं हो सकता। एंड जो मैंने स्टैटिक के क्वेश्चन इसमें पूछे थे, काइंडली उनका आंसर आप या तो कमेंट बॉक्स में कर दीजिए या फिर उनका आंसर खुद अपने पास रखिए, जिससे वो एग्ज़ाम में आए तो आपका छूटे नहीं। सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर, प्लीज़ टेल द अदर एस्पिरेंट्स ऑल्सो टू सब्सक्राइब to my channel. It will be grateful to me also, it will be helpful to me also. So thanks for watching. Thanks a lot.